Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Economics looks huge, but this question is fast. Find the core issue the subject studies, then match that idea to the choice. First, recognize scarcity. Economics starts from the fact that resources like time, labor, land, and capital are limited, so society cannot produce everything everyone might want. Next, people's wants keep going, even when resources do not. So economics asks how choices get made when desires are broad, but the available means stay constrained. Put those together, and the fundamental problem is fulfilling unlimited wants with limited resources, which matches the wording of option C exactly. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing past key signs. Rule, trust what's given, then check the steps. So scarcity and wants stay central.